and Bella. We just came from Easter because today's Easter and April Fool's got pushed back at Chicago. And look, it has Game Boy. Oh, no, what the heck? I was just trying to make one, but my mom stopped it. We got Mousetrap. It looks like Mary. Ow! And the content, we got game board, 4 mouse paws, marble, 24 Mousetrap, contraption parts, rubber band, I don't know what rubber bands are, cardboard, cheese wedges, die, I don't know what that means, and instructions.
Oh,
and
you die!
It's collect 6 cheese wedges first to win. Set up the chain reaction trap to catch other mice. I put red Marilyn, green Isabella, and scurry around the board, but watch out for the trap.
I'm gonna watch it now. 1, 2. Okay, guys. So before we play with this, y'all have to click the like button and subscribe. Okay? If you don't, we're just gonna give you 5 seconds. But if you don't, we're not gonna.
Can you not hear me?
And we're not gonna do no games anymore. Okay? So 1,
2, 3, 4, 5. I can't actually see.
So let's go.
Well, I'll call you later.
Now here's other related games.
Because I'm gonna do something with the girls.
Well, let's start to open it. My mom's gonna come and look at this. It's like the little marble.
Okay, I don't know where I go.
My mom is probably gonna come with it.
No, I opened the tape here.
No, you opened the tape.
Oh.
She just opened it before we did the YouTube video, so we have more time. And the YouTube video doesn't end. Sorry guys if it does.
Wow. Sick. I have a little ball. The little ball. Whoops. I have a little ball.
It's a little, so what? I just hit my...
Pick your player.
I'm the red one.